Good evening, everybody. Okay, so today what I'm doing is a 20 by 20 inch canvas. I did a smaller piece earlier today, which you guys will see coming up soon. And so right now I just figured I wanted to use the same colors because in the other one I used up my leftover paints. And I love the outcome so much, I figured why not mix up some more of the paints and see where we go from there. So I wanted to try a larger pour, and let me see, I hope you guys can hear me. I have a slew of colors here, and what I'm going to do is put them in the video description box because I don't recall all of the colors. I might be able to ramble off most of them, but so we're going to go from there, and we're going to load up this cup right here. I do know that this is Folk Art's Treasure Gold series in Fire Opal, so we're going to start with that. I've mixed, all these paints are mixed with mix, 7 parts medium to 1 part of paint. And I want to give a shout out to couple of gentlemen out in California. You guys have got to check out their fantastic channel. They just breached 1,000 subscribers in as little as 4 weeks, and so they deserve a huge congratulations, and they're so much fun to watch. I love their banter back and forth, and they've got big hearts, and they're joining this fluid world with great gusto, and their channel name is Massey Art Studios, and Jeremy and Lee are so much fun to watch, and they're such an inspiration for beginning pourers. They've got their studio, they're fun. If they even have pins, Massey Art Studio pins that you can actually get. So if you just follow their directions, but I'm going to put a link into their channel, and I would love it if you guys would go show them some love, subscribe to their channel. They're just fantastic, and they're lovely to talk to. They answer all of your questions. So if you get a chance, check out the link below in the video description box, and I'll also put a link to their YouTube channel at the end of this video. But send your regards to Lee and Jeremy and tell them I sent you over to them. So that's my blurb for now, but we'll talk about them again further down the line. This paint color right here is Pink Flash by Color Shift. And this is the 24K gold. I'm just gonna drizzle some in here. Again, all my paints are mixed with mixed pouring medium. And we're just gonna keep on. This is Arteza's Amaranth, Pearl Amaranth. Their new pearl line is beautiful. They have like 24 plus colors, and this is the Amaranth. So we threw that one in there. I also have coming up some Coral Wreath by Porridge Posse Paints. And let's see, let's put some white in there. And we're gonna add a little gold. I know you can't see me pour it in, but it's there. So let's get some of the Coral Reef shimmer in there, or metallic. I'm running out of room. And then, I don't remember how I did it on the other one, and I didn't revert back to looking at the video, so I'm just winging it here. Now, the reason why I want the pink hues in here is because I want the center to be more pink. So So I'm gonna add, this is Silver Lake by Porridge Posse Paints. I thought that was a nice color to add to the composition originally, and it turned out great, so yay team. And that is left over. I'm gonna do another video on Porridge Posse Paints. And this is my white, Artist Loft Flow acrylic white, and there's 14 ounces of mix pouring medium and 2 ounces of the white paint in here. So I'm just gonna put a bit of a gulp there. My cup's a little large, so it spills out more than I need. And we all know how the 24K can take over. I'm not sure. I know this is a flash green. I think that's all it's called. So we're gonna do some deep turquoise. And some of the Silver Lake. Now let's just use it up because I don't have that much in there. I'm gonna go with the green because we want green on the outside. And that, and let's do the deep turquoise here. It's a really, really full cup right now. It's gonna floweth over. All right. So, and in my old cup that I just used to pour the other one, I have some leftover paint, and we're just gonna get that out of there. What a beautiful mixture of colors this was. I'm just spreading my white out. Yeah, okay. All right, so let's see here. I want to coat this real good. Got some air bubbles coming up, and that's okay. Hey, see that? I tape off the back of my canvases. I think they are beautiful after you remove the tape. It really does gives a nice finished look. Okay, so that's all I'm gonna do for now. And I have leftover paints if I need them for anything. I'm gonna get the torch, get all the air bubbles out. I'm gonna come over here and yep, we're still on screen, okay. Okay, so now we're gonna give it a quick torch and we're gonna start spreading it out. Gotta get some air bubbles because I did just mix these paints up, so. All right, we'll just keep torching as we go if we need to. But so far, that's looking quite pretty. Move this way. And we're gonna move it right over here. Oh my, I love it. It's gorgeous. So I'm gonna be real careful. When I'm stretching out. We're gonna bring it right on back.
What? I was missing something.
I'm just gonna give it a rest for a minute. Let's see here. I'm actually going to grab a new pair of gloves, so I'll be right back. Okay, I'm back, and actually before I stretch any further, I had to get new gloves because I wasn't able to wipe off those gloves any further. All right, so I had let this sit for a minute while I grabbed gloves, and I have air bubbles, so. And we're gonna go down to this corner. Okay, so I think I'm gonna keep it just the way it is. And I'm gonna actually add some Prussian green over here. That was the dark green that I was using. I'm loving this outcome. It is so pretty. Let's see here. So I'm gonna fill in some of these areas. Oh, actually I have some paint left in here, so maybe I'll do that. Okay, so that's it, and we'll bring you in just a minute. All right, here we go. Look at this area right here, minus the lights. Sorry guys, but I love this. All the layers of colors coming through, and it's just gorgeous. I'm super happy it turned out as well as it did for a large pour. The smaller one is just darling. So you guys will see that coming up next. Remember to reach out, go visit Massey Art Studios over on the YouTube channel. I'm gonna connect to the end of this video. Show the guys some support. Give them a thumbs up. Give them some comments. They comment back. They'll help you out as much as they can. They're always looking for ideas for pours. They themselves are creative enough, but it's always fun to have a challenge here and there. And don't forget, subscribe to their channel. You're missing something if you don't, because they are really, really great to watch. So say hi to Lee and Jeremy over there from me. Have a great day.